You wake up, look in the mirror, and think, why does my stomach still look bloated, even though I've been eating clean? You're skipping sugar, drinking plenty of water, even squeezing in your workouts, and yet, that flat, tight stomach just won't show up. Here's the truth, it's not just about how much you eat, it's about what your body does after you eat. And today, I'm going to reveal the one ingredient that can turn your ordinary smoothie into a fat-burning, belly-flattening machine. So what is it? The one ingredient your flat stomach smoothie needs is chia seeds. Tiny? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. Think of chia seeds as your belly's secret weapon, packed with fiber, omega-3s, and plant-based protein. When they hit liquid, they expand, forming this gel-like texture that keeps you full, balances your blood sugar, and literally sweeps waste out of your digestive system. That's right, chia helps clean you out naturally. No fancy detox teas. No expensive powders. Just food doing what food is supposed to do. Let's make it real. Here's how to make chia work for you. First, picture your morning routine. You're rushing out the door, skipping breakfast, grabbing a coffee, and by 10 a.m., you're starving. Sound familiar? Try this instead. Before you head out, toss 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a blender with almond milk, half a banana, a handful of spinach, and a scoop of protein powder. Blend it up. That's it, your flat stomach smoothie. It takes literally 2 minutes. The chia expands in your stomach, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. No mid-morning crash. No random snacking. No extra calories sneaking in. Now, imagine this, you drink 1 smoothie a day. It's creamy, delicious, refreshing. You're not starving yourself. You're not spending hours doing crunches. You're just changing one simple thing. And after a few weeks, your jeans start to feel looser. Your stomach feels lighter. That constant bloating, gone. Sounds too good to be true. It's not. Because there's real science behind it. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that people who added this one simple ingredient to their daily routine had significantly lower levels of belly fat. Why? Because it targets the real cause of belly bloat, inflammation and sluggish digestion. Second, let's talk digestion. You know that heavy, bloated feeling after lunch? That's not always fat, that's trapped gas and inflammation. Chia's soluble fiber absorbs water and adds bulk, helping food move smoothly through your system. It's like unclogging a drain, chia resets your digestion so everything flows better. Third, energy. You might not realize it, but belly bloat and fatigue are connected. When your gut's inflamed, your body uses energy to deal with that stress, and that's why you feel tired. Chia seeds help stabilize blood sugar, so you don't get those sugar spikes or afternoon crashes. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and yes, your stomach will naturally start to flatten without you obsessing over every calorie. Now, let's talk flavor, because if it doesn't taste good, let's be honest, you won't drink it. Here's a quick, delicious recipe that actually works. In a blender, add 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 cup frozen berries, a pinch of cinnamon, and if you want, a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Blend until smooth. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so the chia thickens, and enjoy. It's creamy. It's satisfying. And every single sip helps flatten your belly from the inside out. Now, here's the part most people get wrong. They hear chia seeds and think, oh, I'll just sprinkle them on my cereal. Wrong move. Chia only works its magic when it's soaked or blended. If you eat them dry, they can actually pull water from your body, which can cause dehydration or even constipation. So always, let your chia soak in liquid first, even for just 5 to 10 minutes. That's when they form that gel-like coating that sweeps toxins out of your system and keeps your digestion on track. And while we're here, let's bust another myth, the low-fat smoothie trap. You've seen them everywhere, those fat-free, sugar-free smoothies that promise to be healthy. But here's the truth, most of them are loaded with artificial sweeteners that spike your insulin, the hormone that stores belly fat. You can't flatten your stomach if your insulin is constantly elevated. That's why chia is such a game changer. It keeps your blood sugar balanced and your metabolism running smoothly all day long. So if you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, bloating, or low energy, this is your sign. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need a new diet or $100 cleanse. You just need one new habit. One small, powerful change. Here's what you do. First, grab a bag of chia seeds, preferably organic. Second, make your flat stomach smoothie once a day, ideally in the morning. Third, stay consistent. Because this isn't a quick fix. It's a small, sustainable shift that resets your gut and metabolism over time. After 1 week, you'll notice less bloating. After 2, you'll feel lighter. And after a month, that flat, confident stomach you've been chasing, it finally starts to show. Here's your simple takeaway. 1 tablespoon of chia a day keeps your digestion clean and your belly flat. Always soak or blend it, that's when the real benefits kick in. Replace one meal or snack with a chia smoothie, and let your body do the rest. Remember, your body doesn't need punishment. It needs support. Real nourishment. Real balance. Real results. That flat stomach you want? It's not a fantasy. It's your body's natural state, when you give it what it truly needs. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to getting a flatter stomach? Is it bloating, sugar cravings, or just staying consistent? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. Because every week, we're breaking down simple, science-backed habits that actually transform your health, one step, one smoothie at a time. Let's make this your year to feel light, strong, and confident, starting with one smoothie a day.